Now, yes, roofs are very expensive to replace, but I am seeing people make mistakes after mistake after mistake. I brought up the Ygrene and the PACE program. I've had a couple of sellers right now that they needed to get hurricane coverage, but instead of doing panels, or they went ahead and got the Ygrene or the PACE program, they got hurricane impact windows. When it comes to insurances, hurricane coverage is hurricane coverage. It doesn't matter if it's panels, it doesn't matter if it's accordion shutters or impact windows.